Alright guys, so in the review of this flavors from China, Lay's, and then you can see this is chicken and tomato. And here's the ingredients, if you guys want to read it. This is kind of neat, I saw, but it's has stuff in there that isn't the greatest, but it is a unique flavor, so let's try this out. Okay, so here we go. This is what the chip looks like, if you guys are curious. It has a nice tomato flavor, and it really comes through. Then you get a little bit of the chicken bouillon flavor. Actually decent. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.